What's up, YouTube? Hey, so I've been having some issues with my car, man. For the past, I say a month or so. I've been getting these rough island problems, stalling at the light. Man, it just at times it'll just shut off when getting it into reverse. So I did a whole bunch of bullshit to it, man, that I regret, man. I mean, let me just say off the bat, I'm not at all a professional or some master tech or something. I'm just someone who just rather save money than go to a shop and spend ridiculous amounts of money on something I could do myself. Shit, I work at a shop, so but I'm still learning. But I work at a shop, and man, just the numbers the service advisors tell customers, man, it's fucking crazy, dude. You know what I mean? They're talking about $850 for all around brake job, man, and just shit like that, man. I can't do it. But anyways, man, that has nothing to do with this, man. So I've been getting rough idle problems. So I went out and did a whole bunch of shit to it. Like I said, I started off with doing valve cover gaskets. Then I did the intake manifold gaskets. Did all the fluid exchanges. And I did this all myself. And still couldn't find out what the fuck the problem was. I mean, I tried to check I took it to the shop I work out and ran the smoke machine. Couldn't really find nothing. There was no smoke coming out except for the EGR valve. But if I'm not mistaken, or from what I was told, it was supposed to come out. That's just the EGR valve letting out. You know what I'm talking about, man. But anyways, so I took off. I diagnosed the idle control valve. I try to see if that was the issue by unplugging it while it was still running. And I heard you could do the same for the TPS sensor. So I did it for the TPS sensor, and I found out that might be my issue, man. I got this check engine light. The needle on the RPM gauge would go up and down sometimes, just crazy, just going like that. So today I went out, and hopefully I spend money on something and wouldn't have to spend any more money on anything else. Went out and got this TPS sensor for my AutoZone. Spent about $32 on it, and I'm gonna throw this thing in, man, and see if that solved my issue, and hopefully it'll solve yours as well. I'll show you how to take it off if you don't know how, and I'll show you how to reinstall it. I heard on some vehicles you would have to turn it counterclockwise or clockwise or some bullshit like that, man. But I asked the guys at the shop who's better skilled than me that all I have to do is just turn it forward a little bit and then turn it backwards and then put the screws in. I'll show you. We'll get there, man. We're going on the hood right now, man. So bear with me. I got a runny nose, man. It's a bit cold out here. Let me see. Where's mine? Oh, there it is. All right. Let's go. All right. Shit, don't let the looks fool you. It's sun out here, but it's fucking cold. Okay, so this is your IAC, idle control valve, and take this thing off here. Back here, you will find this sensor right here. This is your TPS sensor. It's held in by 2 Phillips screws. Go ahead and disconnect that. Well, before we start going under and touching all these electrical components and shit like that, let's fucking take this negative terminal off the battery. Excuse my language, man. I can't help it, man. That's just me. This is how I talk, man. I just fucking cuss, dude. But anyways, take this fucking sensor off like that, and boom, it comes right off. Take the sensor off of that. Let this thing hang down. Just throw that down there somewhere. You'll find it later. So we're gonna take these 2 screws off. Be careful not to strip these motherfuckers. I said strip. Be careful not to strip these motherfuckers because I'm already starting on mine. I took this off the other day like I told you, I could have just took the sensor off, but my dumb ass wanted to, you know, I just wanted to, you know, see what it looks like, see if it was like beat to hell or something, but it wasn't. So let's go ahead and take that off just a second. Give me a second here. See if I can do it with one hand. Now it's a tight fit, so I'm using this ratchet with a Phillips bit on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and it actually helps a lot because you couldn't really get nothing down there, man. Regular, you know what I mean? And I just turn this bad boy back here. That's why I put that on there. You know what? I'm gonna make like 3 parts to this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here and get back to you guys.